Bing.
Oh, come here, you big dummy head.
I never told you two this, but you're the best henchman a guy ever had. Come on, group hug.
Ow! Hey, sorry, man, sorry. Come, Sykes, try again, man. Don't afraid. Come on.
Oh, forget it. The moment's gone.
So, Lino, Don, we cool, right? I mean, like the reef is safe. We don't walk the streets, without,
Yeah, we're cool.
Oscar, excuse me, Oscar? You've lost everything you lied so hard to achieve. Tell me, what's next for you?
Come on, everyone's waiting, Mr. Manager.
Hey, I just gotta put the finishing touch on my new desk. Love you, Pop.
Yo, dog!
Sykes!
All right, partner, let's see what you can do.
Sykes and Oscar's Whale Wash is now open for business. Yo, E, B, let's get this party bumpin'! Yo!
It's the end of the wheels of steel.
Yo, Christina, Missy, how about we have a little Oscar-licious fun?
Small tuna fish on one big catch.
You might not ever get rich.
Warm it up, I'm warming it up.
It's better than digging a ditch.
Look at here. Oh, Johnny's at home. My
Come on, we
song.
start on maybe a common thing.
What's up, Jimbo? Let it go.
Sing it with
Hey, Angie. Sorry, Pop and I are late, but we brought some new customers.
Hey, how you doing?
Wow.
Okay, guys, come on in.
To be, depending on being stubborn. Let me tell you, cool. Don't mind sometimes they act like a fool.
No, snap it. You're not snapping it.
I'm snapping it.
It's okay. A lot of great whites can't do it, yo.
Yo,
Yo, what's up?
what's up with what?
Yo. Yo.
Hey, you say yo one more time and I'm gonna yo you.
I'm sorry.
All right. You think this is funny? What am I, the clown to you?
Sharks in
Keep
the
up
water
with me,
make
don't
their
let me
jaws
lose you.
lock. When I
'Cause you're
swim
not
through the
losing.
rim, I'm too high. Y'all can make your best, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one
In your
big catch.
face.
Bow down, player, cause this right here
what you
will be
got?
your worst
You don't want
nightmare.
none of this.
Work that, pop back, hurt that, turn this surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fast stack coming. That's why I
Working at the car wash. At the car wash. Come on, work it, baby, work it. Send out the car wash. At the car wash. Come on, work it, baby, work it. Send out the car wash. Working at the car wash. So come on. Now keep it coming. So you may not ever get rich, but
a Shark Tale exclusive. Phenomenal hit.
Now this thing here may cause concern, but it's another story about a shark eating worms. It's not a riddle, but subliminally touches on. I one little lie can turn into a bigger one. When I was a young guppy in the sea, you could see all the bigger fish picking on me, cause they knew it didn't really have a guard or bullet. Any other sharks that have teeth sharper than me. I'm never in the story about a shark this big. The love the kids that got a knack for fish. So sit back, kick back with a bag of chips while I tell you about something stupid I did. One little lie turns into another.
Hello? Oscar? Listen, baby, I know I was a bad girl, but come on. You'd have to be crazy not to take me back.
Did someone say crazy?
I ain't trying to be what we trying to tear up the place. Come on.
Hey Timbo,
Yeah.
don't you hate it when a dude starts acting up? Like this fella over here with his hand on his cup. He mugging and carrying on.
Hey JT.
Yeah,
Why these dudes keep staring at us?
I don't know, but I'm about to find out
Jaxie.
what's up.
Hey! Jaxie! Hello?
Ain't nothing to it. If you wanna get down, then we can do it, do it. Ain't nothing to it. Get out your seat, you ain't glued to it. Be easy and watch that song. Keep stepping with your new suede shoes on. Boys and girls, let's all sing along. Everybody just get on the good foot.
Get on the good foot.
Hey! You can eat the rest of your popcorn?
Too much butter. Fish in the sea. I'ma catch the baddest one. You take yourself so seriously. You don't impress me like.
Don't be alarmed, boy. We can't do no harm, boy.
I'm not being cocky. I just noticed that she was looking at me. Chill, homeboy, be cool, 'cause there ain't no reason for all that fussing at me. It's just getting started, and there's a lot of fish around here just shaking their jelly.
I ain't trying to be rude, dude. But we trying to tear up the place. Come on.
It ain't nothing to it. If you wanna get down, then we can do it, do it. It ain't nothing to it. Get out your seat, you ain't glued to it. Be easy and watch that song. Keep stepping with your new suede shoes on. Boys and girls, let's all sing along. Everybody just get on a good foot.
I always wanted you to be my baby. When you touch me, boy, you drive me crazy. I don't wanna be your secret lover, but when I get you, boy, there'll be no other. You and me, it's gotta be the real thing. Come and go, I'll set you free, my baby. Too long, boy, I'll be gone. So hurry, don't do me wrong. Don't do me wrong. I think I love you, baby. I think I need you, baby. Show me real.
You're not even halfway done yet!
Up to the front door of your love and a knock, knock. Then you opened up, now you can't get enough. You was thinking one little date, ate sushi with your soulmate. Dared the ice or the SUVs. Our love grows, we chose to water the seeds. You the one I'm falling for. The more we walk down love's corridor, the angels all applaud. I want you. See the look in my eyes, don't you? Like a kid in my whip with Willy Wonka. Like back in the day playing with Tonka. Give me your palm, Mom, let me read your fortune. I see trust with hard times but honesty. We gon' go down in history. One look in your face just prove the fact that you don't have to chase what you can attract. Now what's real?
What you feel, what you know, what you say. Gotta be real. So
What? You see this guy? He hardly worked on the movie at all! Always on the phone, yakking, yakking, yakking. Huh.
so sweet, kind of life.
Life is one big party. When you share the wealth, wouldn't mean as much if I just spend it on myself. While my cup is running over, let me give you some of this good life. Ooh, it's something, got enough for everyone. I just wanna have some fun and take a moment, sugarcoat it, come and party down. Tell you what, I love your life. This sweet kind of life, sweet kind of life. I'm a star and I'm shining bright. This sweet kind of life, sweet kind of life. Ooh, baby, it feels so right. This sweet kind of life, sweet kind of life.
machine was playing next door? Woohoo! Stinky!
Like going, had no restrictions, stop or go, just killing time and took it slow. It was complete.